we are checking out some RVs and some fifth wheels. Like we said before in previous videos, we love the Grand Designs, so that's what we're checking out here. Just some potential rigs that we can do, possibly some fifth wheels, and we just want to show you a couple rigs that we like. So hope that you like this video, and let's get going.
So guys, this is the Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS, which means it's a rear living room. This fridge is kind of different. We've never seen this before. So it is just, the one side is just the fridge by itself, which is obviously, as you can see, very spacious. And then the other side is the freezer, which is obviously also very spacious. So this is just an interesting, different kind of fridge and freezer that we haven't seen in a camper yet. And then of course, this is the wet bar, which we love the size and the space of the cabinets. You could definitely fit a lot of coffee cups, a lot of coffee, or whatever you drink right there. This is the island, which looks like it has the double sink, and then just obviously the couch and the living space. And then we're gonna head up to the bedroom, which is kind of nice. It's a little small for Daniel and I, but we really liked it. So this is the bed. And then I'm guessing, obviously, if you wanted to put a little TV right there, or you could put one right here on the wall where it says TV backer location. And then this is really cool. In here, they have those the little step up. So you would step up to get into your bed. And then they have these really cool little lights that go next to the bed. So if you don't want the whole light on in the room, you can just have these. Or they have these little above lights, which most of them have. So if you're gonna read or look at a magazine before you go to bed. And then this is kind of cool. They have a little shelf here, so you can kind of put a few things up there if you needed to. And then here is the bathroom. And this is what they call a corner bathroom. So the shower looks a little bigger and it's more rounded. And then here is the sink, and then just a little bit of space. And then this door right here is if you want to go in through the living room kitchen area, or go out that door to get back to the living room or kitchen area, you can use that, or you can go through the bedroom here. Well, I hope you guys like this tour, and we're gonna get back to looking around and checking out some different campers.
All right guys, so this is the 315 RLTS, and this is the 2022 model edition. Everything upgraded. This is a travel trailer, mind you. So nice, it has wine rack, Furrion, microwave convection, nice space for your oven, cooktop range with a nice window to boot to show you. Then it also has this nice huge pantry, plenty of storage in there. Then more your kind of coffee wine bar area, nice fireplace and TV area. And then up top, of course, you have space on both sides. Then we're swinging around. This is the rear, this is the back side of the trailer. Full queen size bed that pulls out. Again, plenty of storage up on the top. Coming around. Oh yeah, the shades. Shades are one of the things we love. It can be night day shades. So you get those options. Then you got the Thomas Paine luxury massage heated and reclining seats, theater seating, the two great big windows. This one has the booth, half booth dinette combination. Again, plenty of space in the bathroom. Nice big shower. And the bedroom where the magic happens. This one looks to be the king size bed option, but your closet area, you can have a washer dryer, believe it or not, a washer dryer inside a travel trailer. Unheard of. We wouldn't do it, but you can do it in this model. And then of course, that's your pass-through storage underneath, but you could also make it your hamper. And then nice dresser drawers, and place for a TV if you like. Second air conditioner in the bedroom. So guys, this is the one I really like. I think it works out really well for what we need and checks all the boxes. So let us know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Would you live in a trailer like this? Let us know.